Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial for you, and I'm going to give you a little peek at Snoring Breezy. Snoring Breezy. You. I'm going to be doing, oh, shaky camera, a eyeshadow tutorial. Kind of a modern, are we good? Modern 90s look. When I was a teenager, we had magazines to go out of for our makeup looks. So I did a more modern shadow of what I would wear when I was a teenager. If you guys haven't already, it would be so great if you could subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see how I created this modern, soft 90s eyeshadow, then just keep watching. Alright, so I put on my face makeup. Things that I did not wear in the 90s. Contour, highlighter, brows. I mainly just wore like concealer, the nice round raccoon concealer eye, and a lot of bronzer. Basically did my lips the same though. That has not changed. When I was a teenager growing up in the 90s, it was all about just the eye makeup. Like that's all I emphasized on, was a lot of taupes, browns, and just a lot of eyeliner and a lot of mascara. So we're gonna try to create a more modern 90s eye, and I'm going to be using my Foiled Again palette by the Balm, and I'm going to go in probably with the matte neutral colors because I didn't wear much shimmer. Well, I guess on the brow bone we did a lot of shimmer and no blending, so we're going to blend this more than what I would have done when I was a teenager. So let's get right into this. Alright, so I'm going in with the color Incarcerated, and I'm just going to buff that over the entire lid, except for right underneath the brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with the color Unmasked and just start buffing that into my crease and more around the outer edges of my eye. Now I'm going in with the darker color Seized, and I'm just going to focus more on the outer edges of my eye and just along the top lash line. As a teenager, I probably would have brought the dark color up through my crease more and just left it as a nice, harsh, dark line. But being more modern, we're just going to buff that out and keep it towards the outer edges of the eye. Now I'm taking the color Arrested and just going right on my brow bone. I'm using my favorite liquid liner that I've used forever by L'Oreal, and I'm not going to do a wing, and I'm going to create a thicker line above my lashes. Now I'm going in with my absolute favorite mascara that I have used for the past 20 years, the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara in Carbon Black. For my lips, I'm going to go in with my Annabelle eyebrow pencil in the color taupe and just overline them and just go over with a straight line and not do the Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to use M.A.C stripdown over top of that. Alright guys, this is basically how I used to do my eye makeup and lips when I was a teenager in the 90s, but a more toned down modern version. I think there would have been a lot more eyeliner, lash extensions, a lot more bronzer, raccoon eyes. But yeah, so this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.